But you take a peek at how ADE is a right triangle, so I think DE is going to be the length of the hypotenuse, which is longer than the length of any side. So I think DE is going to be bigger than AE. So I think this is less than or equal to, is that an EC? Plus AE, which is less than DE. But I think EC plus DE is nothing more than CD. That was a darn segment addition postula from high school geometry, if you remember. No, no, it's not. This is a beautiful wash. I'm almost done. Isn't CD just a tangent T? No, go here. This is a right triangle.
Yes.
The tangent's angle can be thought of as opposite over adjacent,
Yes.
but that's unicircle. This is one. So tangent T is just going to be DC. Let me rephrase that. In other words, you guys, what I'm really suggesting is that T is less than or equal to tangent of T, which means T is less than or equal to the sine of T over the cosine of T, which means that the cosine of T is less than or equal to sine of T over T. Oh, no, I recognize the sine of T over T. I see it over there near the box. What that really means?
Swan.
Well, careful. What it really means is that the sine of T over T is bounded above by 1, but bounded below by cosine of T. And as T goes to 0, don't these two things go to positive 1? Thank you. So by the squeeze theorem, it is the case that the limit, as T goes to 0, of the ratio of the sine of T to T is equal to 1. It may have taken me a 5-minute long geometric argument to justify this, but you have to confess, you guys, this is basic geometry and trigonometry combined. Nothing more. Well, with a squeeze theorem. The reason why I'm doing this is I need to come into class on Wednesday night. I need to start differentiating trigonometric functions. And for me to be able to do that, I need to be able to evaluate this limit, and I've just established a result that the limit of this darn fraction is equal to 1 as T goes to 0. That's the fundamental key. I'll exploit that next time. For now, let's you and I just have a little bit of fun. In section 3.2, since I failed to be able to give you homework, can we just slough off on a quiz on Wednesday? I'll just give you a take-home instead.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Yeah, only because I didn't give you the homework.
Fortunately, I already did this.
You did?
Yeah, I did
Yeah,
last
you
week,
did
and
the
I did
first
all
one for break, right?
3.2.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'll give it to you Wednesday, which means you have it for the break.
Is it going to be to solve world hunger?
Not quite that far.
It's going to be one of those unprovable equations.
Is that my phone that keeps does that?
No.
Oh,
It's
good.
the camera.
That's good enough.
So when we come back from whatever spring break, are we gonna have a test